All right, so this is the Bitcoin 4 hour candle, and this is how I swing trade it. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to turn this on right here. And what is this? Well, this is the weekly candle turned into a working, moving support and resistance zone. Okay, and what does that mean? Well, that means that price reacts to it just like this. So you can see it moving. And once it leaves it, you know you're in a trend phase like that, and you can get into your trades and trail and stuff. So there's a whole new week that just formed. So how do I actually enter? Okay, well, I first of all I turn the candles off. I don't even use the candles. I turn on another one of it, and I have it set to the daily candle, and I have the fill zones. See, watch. That's the daily. I just turn the fills off, and this is just the midline, right? So when the daily candle crosses through the weekly candle, I buy or sell. That's it. That's all I do. And let me show you right here. So here you go. This is the start of the new week, Sunday at 6 p.m. Okay. As long as the beacon line agrees with what's going on, I'm going to get into the trade. This is the beacon line. So green and up for buys and red and down for shorts. Okay. So we don't have anything yet. So this is Monday at 10 a.m. We don't have anything. Okay, it drops down, but it didn't leave the zone, so I'm not going to take it. And two, it's green, so it's conflicting with each other. I'm not going to take it. All right. Now that is starting to pique my interest, but I still wouldn't even be looking at this because I have alerts set, and it's not going to do anything until that happens. Right there, it left the zone. I'm going to get a trigger on my phone. This is Tuesday at 6 a.m. I'm going to come look, and I'm going to go, yep, that meets conditions. I'm going to buy that right there. And then what am I going to do? I'm going to hold it until the end of the week, or this comes back down and crosses through the bottom. You can also use the beacon line right here. It's if this turns red on a close, a candle close, you might want to start paying attention to what's going on. Maybe even start trailing. All right. So when a new week, so those are going to be my conditions. A new week forms Friday, whatever, Sunday 6 p.m., Thursday 10 a.m. We're still good on this trade, right? And we can trail this right here if you want as a trailing stop. And we're at Thursday, Friday, 10 a.m., 2 p.m. Maybe start thinking about closing in case it crashes. But we'll just go with what I do Sunday at 6. Okay, close. There you go. And then we get a new week, right? And it's the same thing. So now we're coming down. Okay, so that meets conditions to sell. So I'll sell, right? But since we didn't really grab any liquidity, I would go break even on this one fast, right? I wouldn't just hold this one. So we're going to go break even on this. Maybe lock in, I don't know, 10 grand just to make it worth the week, right? In case it slaps back up. Because it could, because it's hitting this was an unmitigated weekly zone and it's mitigating it, right? So this could be just a pullback to dump up again, but we still want to get some money out of it. So we're going to lock in 10 grand, right? Okay, it's 33 and it whipped right back up, but this is still looking okay. Yeah, well, you got stopped. So we took 10 grand for that week, whatever. And, or maybe we'll get into another trades if it's going to give us the entry, right? So I'm not going to re enter on these things like that. I enter on the crosses only. So if I get stopped like that, I'm not just going to, okay. All right, there we go. That is a valid entry, and that happened on Wednesday at 6 p.m. A little bit of drawdown. There we go. There we go. And then Friday 10 a.m. And then there's the new week. So we would close. Bam. There you are. So we've suffered no losses and we're up 190,000 with 5 contracts of Bitcoin. We got a new week. And then it just keeps going and going and going and then going and going and going and then going and going and going. And that is, I mean, that's how stupid simple this is. And I did take, I think I took that dump. Recent ones, the recent ones. What is it? Friday. This is January. Okay, yeah. So so 100, whatever. So I shorted this and I got into this long here, but I got stopped at a trail, which I shouldn't have. It's annoying. I should just have held this one. But yeah, that's the swing trade strategy right there. It doesn't get any more simple than that. If you have any questions, put it in the comments and I'll respond to it.